coffee break because it's 12 and I have not had breakfast. It's a sports bra. I was working out. I started like maybe like noonish, maybe a little bit earlier. And it's like literally 12 o'clock. I did go and work out. Obviously I took breaks, but it's like a little 2-day project. So tomorrow I'm gonna like move everything off the bed so I can sleep, obviously, but I'm gonna be like going through everything again that I like in my keep pile, like organizing, putting it in there, that kind of thing. So I'll be documenting more of that process tomorrow, because it was just like I didn't try on everything. It was kind of more of if I like hadn't worn it in like a year, that kind of vibe, like it was gonna donate and then all that kind of stuff. And so I want to make sure that I like do have things to play with, like, because accessories and like having different options is always good. I'm doing it as a base, and then I like want to keep developing my own personal style. So donations, keep, recycled, old, donate or sell, and then if it won't sell, donate. Still organizing. This is the empty closet. This is like all my workout stuff, work clothes, and I'm gonna be reorganizing. It's late, but I'm just getting started. I think I'll be able to finish today. I am just gonna be going through like everything that I've like in my kept pile, going through it once again. Gonna wash anything that needs to be washed. Kind of put together something. I had found a little clothes rack like forever ago. Haven't been really used it, but I think I'm gonna bring that into my bedroom, even though it's kind of limited space. But I think it'll be good for me to visually see everything, and I might even like start planning out my outfits for the week. I think that would be pretty fun to do, and kind of like set it up really cute, because like if it looks nice, it entices you, like, you know, like that kind of stuff. So like good visual reminder. So yeah, we'll see. Hi guys, so for you guys still here, thank you for almost being to the end of the video. I am still learning some things about storyboarding and like creating a fully formed video that makes sense, but basically, because I feel like it probably wasn't like explained in the best way, I just wanted to go through my clothes because I've had so many of them literally since middle school, like the title card says. So I am just going through my clothes for the beginning of the year. I'm trying to create a capsule wardrobe, and the theme is more or less French girl chic. So kind of kept to that. Just wanted to keep some like main pieces. So maybe sometime soon. I can never promise a single thing. I could have a little lookbook for you guys of all the stuff that I kept. But thank you for watching. And I'll let you see the results of my closet. Okay, so technically, I think I have finished the closet cleanup. I have kind of learned a little bit. I had a lot of crop tops, and what I realized is like the reason why they never looked right, and I always like was self-conscious more, is I would literally have a crop top that was like pretty much way above my navel or belly button. I think they're the same thing. It would be way above my navel, especially since I have larger breasts. And then the pants that I always had, just because like they're mostly like for work, and then some for like just regular everyday use, barely came over my navel. So it was literally just like this large. It just didn't work. It was like if you're looking for something shorter, you need something higher. I didn't have that. And then I always think it was just me and my body type, which my body type is somewhat a little different. But I really recommend doing this closet clean out. You learn out a lot of things, not only about yourself, but about your clothes, especially if you try them on. So I do need to take both the donations, and I'm gonna try to sell the stuff that like was barely worn. But I think this will be good. It'll give me more of, a reason to wear the stuff that I usually wouldn't. Like I think life is just way too short to not look hot, not like just dress however the fuck you want to. It's literally too short to think like that. So I do want to take this time to like take a break from buying new items, play around with things. When it comes to posting as well, I wanted to kind of like, I put a lot of pressure on myself to like post every day or post once a week, like between like the socials. And for me and my schedule and like what I do, it just wasn't working. It was a lot of pressure. So I'm gonna kind of like refocus on like some other things, like so yeah, there's gonna be like a lot less pressure on myself to keep consistent. I just want to produce now things that look good and look nice and kind of take more of a learning experience, because that's how it kind of was when I started this, but I just got too caught up in like other stuff. So for the next 6 months, I think I'm gonna take a really like kind of like a hiatus for myself. That's just kind of where I'm at right now. But I think I still might be posting on the 75 hard style challenge. I already saved like 2 pairs of shoes that I thought were goners. And I cleaned them, and I was like, okay, I wouldn't have done that if I hadn't gone through my closet and actually looked at the stuff. Because a lot of the stuff you think that's unsalvageable or what, like, when you really look at it, like, it took me like a couple hours. But that was time that I put back into my closet and my wardrobe, and that was invaluable, honestly. Like, it's like you spend a lot of money on clothes, like, and you want them to be quality, but you have to take care of them as well, and I really like taking care of my things. So, yeah. Learning some things. We'll see how I like this. And we'll put it all together, and I'll show you, like, the end result. Because, like, I feel like I really did just, like, minimize, like, so hopefully I didn't minimize too much. But it's kind of like going into, like, that self-help mindset where I'm not going to think, oh, like, I need to keep something I haven't worn in 3 years just because I might one day need it. Like, if I haven't touched it, it needs to go. And that kind of refocuses your brain onto buying the things you actually want and you actually need, not just something that you think is cute but actually doesn't work for you. So yeah, thanks for watching my little video. I'll see you on the next one.